Hi friends, hope you are doing great. In our last video, we have seen the theory concept and how to create this environment, friends. But still, we need to execute it, friends. Okay, so still it is loading only. Okay, so before that, let me explain about a few things, friends. Okay, so we have to check the cloud storage bucket, friends. So this is the cloud storage bucket, whether it has been created or not. We have to check it, friends. Okay, so this is our bucket name weather data bucket use. Okay, so it should be globally unique, right? So that is what I'm going to just check it, friends, whether it has been created or not already. Okay, it has not been created, friends. Okay, it's not created already. Okay, let it be. Not a problem. Okay, so we have given the name, right? That's what I'm checking it, friends. Okay. Then this weather data set, we have to create the BigQuery data set first. So that is what we are going to do it right now. So now I'm going to open this BigQuery editor. So here I'm going to run the difference, the script I'm going to run. So before that, I don't have the data set first. I don't have the data set. So we are going to run this. Okay. So we are going to run. We are going to create this weather data set. Weather data set, not data set. So here we need to give our project ID first. So you have to specify your project ID. Don't put my project ID. Don't put. Okay. So now we can see the query is okay. Weather underscore data set. In our code, we have given weather underscore data set only. So that is what we are using the same name. Weather underscore data set. Sounds good. So I'm going to run this query. So weather data set will be created in friends. Okay. Weather data set has been created, but we didn't create any table, friends. The table will be created automatically. The table, this weather data table will be created automatically after executing it. Okay. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to, I'm going to uh, open the cloud shell, friends. Okay. I'm going to open the cloud shell. We are going to do some few steps, friends. Okay. We are going to do some few steps. Still it is running only, friends. Okay. Still the environment is being created. It will be taking time. So first we have to config, friends. Config set project project name. This file w hyphen tf. This is my project ID. So you have to specify your project ID first. Okay, sounds good. We have done it first. Now I'm going to create the directory first. Okay, just we can run it from here itself. Just for our understanding, I'm going to create some directory. So I'm giving some directory like test data, test composer, test composer. I'm creating it. Test data composer. Okay, I'm going to uh, I'm going to I put ls, so there is no file here. So here you can see, friends. So here I'm going to use this nano weather underscore data underscore pipeline dot py. So just I'm going to use this file name weather underscore data pipeline dot py. Py it's a Python code extension. Nano it's a text editor. It's editor nano. So here you can see I'm going to paste this first. Okay. I'm going to paste this code. Control A, controls. I will share this friends this code. Okay. In the description you can check it. So control V. Control Shift V. You have to do. Okay. Control Shift V. So I have save it. Just put Control X. Yes. Enter. So let me put cat so that we can verify it, friends. Okay. We can verify it. Cat. So here you can see it, friends. Okay. Here we can see it. The code. So here you can see import that we have imported libraries, datetime libraries, and this is the configuration. Okay. So project ID we have given, PQ data set it's fine, and table name it's fine. This one also fine. Location used. So yeah, we have done it correctly. Whether API URL, we have to put the URL. Okay. So these are the things. This is the function name, fetching the weather data, and this is for uploading to GCS. Okay. The second function will do upload file to the GCS using the GCS code. I told, right? GCS book. Okay. Then generating the BQ load SQL. So loading the data into the project ID dataset table. So this one is doing that. And this is a dependencies, friends. Okay. So which one it has to run first, like that. So here, friends, I have scheduled hourly, friends. I didn't schedule every hour. I have scheduled hourly. In my slide, I told hourly, right? It's not hourly. It's every hour, every 30 minutes. Okay. Every 30 minutes, which I have done. So it's every 30 minutes. Hourly. Okay, I'm sorry. Hourly only mentioned it. Okay, sorry about that. Sorry, sorry. Hourly. So this one is sorry about that. Okay. Not a problem. Every hourly, once an hour it will run. Okay. So bucket, it will create this, create bucket name and standard currents. Okay. In standard only the storage class. So likewise, the weather, which weather and upload to GCS. These are the task ID means it's a name only, friends, which weather underscore name. The same name we are giving task ID fetch underscore weather and task ID upload to GCS. Here also upload to GCS. Generate SQL. So likewise, we are giving fetch. Okay. So task ID is different from this generate SQL. Okay. It's like a description, I would say. So dependencies, we have to give it like this, right? So this is the first it will run, and second it will run. Then this is third it will run, and fourth, and finally fifth. So this is the dependencies. First one, second task, third task, fourth task, fifth task. This is greater than double greater than symbol. We are giving it, right. So this is the dependencies we are giving it first for that only. Okay, almost we have done it. Still it is running. It's taking a lot of time. Please see 11:27. Now the time is 11:45. More than 18 minutes it is taking. Let's wait for the first. Okay. I'm going to pass it. Let's see. Now you can see, friends. So this new bucket has been created. US Central test hyphen composer. So this bucket has been created, friends. Okay. But still, the environment is not ready, friends. Okay. The environment is being created. Let's wait for that. Okay, nice, friends. Now you can see the environment is running. Okay, it has been created successfully, friends. Okay, now you can see the DAG folder, right? So DAG it's nothing but it will be created in our GCS bucket, friends. So this is the one. Okay, this is the one I am showing it. If you are clicking the DAG, it will be redirected to this page only, friends. Okay, if you want, you can check it also. Just click the DAG. So it will be going to the cloud storage bucket. Okay, so. Okay. And here you can see the airflow, friends. Okay, let me talk about this airflow later. So just to go to this cloud cell. So here already we have the file, right? We have the file, this cat weather data pipeline, right? So I'm going to put clear here. Just we need to copy that file, copy to our GCS bucket. That is a tag folder we have to do it, friends. Let me explain clearly. Okay. So here you can see, friends. Here we have the this bucket. It has been created after executing the cloud composer. So here we have the DAG folders, DAGs. Okay. So here we have seen only one file, airflow underscore monitoring.py. So here only we need to paste our .py code files in this folder. Okay. So that one we are going to do. So we are going to use this gsutil command for copy cp. This is our file name, weather data pipeline.py. So we are going to paste it here first. Okay. So instead of this use central on test composer, we need to put this file name, this bucket name. So let me copy from here, friends. Okay, I'm copying from here. Okay, this use central test composer. I'm going to copy this. So we need to replace it, friends, because this one I have already done it. That's what. Okay, so we need to replace with this control C P and delete this because this one is already a tile. Okay, we should not put that one. We have to put this. No need to space. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm copying this file into this location, this bucket, right? Tags under the tags folder. So after copying the file, friends, you can see it here. This file, it will be created here. Okay. Now you can see, friends, refresh, it will come here. Weather data pipeline. Okay, sounds good, friends. Now you just click this web server Airflow. Click it here, friends. Okay. So here you can see the things, friends. So you have to copy my our mail ID, that is a GCP related console. Okay. GCP related console, we have to select it, friends. Because I already opened many mails. That's what is showing like that. You should open your mail ID that is related to our GCP. Okay. So now you can see it here, friends. Let me refresh the page. Okay. Let me refresh the page. Let's see, friends. It is taking some time. Let's wait for that. Okay. Let me close it again and let me open it, friends. No, not a problem. Okay. So Airflow. Okay, let's wait for that. We need to give some time, friends, so that it will come. Okay. So the data set we created, right? Okay. Let's wait for that, friends. Okay. Let me refresh the page. Yeah. Now you can see, friends, weather underscore data pipeline. It came now. Okay. This tag, it came now. Now let me check the data set, friends. Okay. Whether we got any results in the BigQuery or not. Okay. Still we are not getting it. Let's see, friends. Okay. Not a problem. So here we can click this pipeline, data underscore pipeline, tag one, and you can see, friends. So it has been executed. Status is running. Okay. This one is success. This one is success. Now it is coming to this upload to GCS and generative. These are the steps. It is running, friends. Okay, let's give some time, friends, so that we can expect the results, right? So let's wait for that. Then this one also success. Now finally we are loading the data to the BigQuery. Okay, you can see it, friends. Okay, each and every steps you can see. If it is green color, it is success, friends. If it is yellow color, it's like some error, failed something. Okay, it is include. We need to give some time. So you can see, friends, total is success. Running, it came, right? Yeah. Now you can see, friends, success. So we have successfully completed the task, friends. Okay, we have done the task. So you can click the BigQuery and refresh the page. You can see the results, friends. BigQuery table, it will come here. So you can see whether data came, right? Let me refresh it here, friends, so that you can see it. Okay, successfully completed the task. Friends, I would like to say one thing. If you are using this cloud composer for per hour, they are charging 80 rupees, friends. Okay, 80 rupees for 2 hours, almost 160 rupees or 170 will come, friends. So please, you can do this. Okay, now you can see whether data table has been created, friends. Okay, automatically it has been created. You can click the preview. You can see the data. Okay. Okay, sounds good, friends. So we have successfully loaded the data from the real-time API to GCP Google BigQuery by using this Airflow Cloud Composer. We have used this tag. Okay, it's a real-time, friends. It's a real-time. We have done it. Okay, the scheduler we have used Harley. Okay, the Cloud Composer, right? The schedule time and sync. Okay, so you can see, and you can see the graph also, friends. Here you can see the graph. So this is the create bucket, fetch whether uploading to the GCS, generating the BQ load, loading to the BQ. So you can check it, friends. Okay, details also. Total success, total runs displayed, first start run, when it has been started running, last run. So both are same only. Okay. So you can see this, friends, a tag summary. So this is the pipeline name, descriptions. So lot of things every hour, the schedule time. So you can see it, friends. Okay. So I hope you understood the concept, friends. So once done this, right? So you go and delete it, friends, or else definitely they will charge it. Okay. Okay. Let me select this cloud compressor and delete it. Thank you so much, friends. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud data engineering related real-time project, friends. I'm going to cover in my upcoming videos. Okay. So if you have not seen my previous video about Cloud Run functions and the data flow I have used it, I have created this playlist, friends. So you go and watch that. Okay. I'm going to create a GCP data engineering projects, real-time projects. I'm going to create it, friends. So you just go and watch that. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a great day.